What's up, guys? Mazda channel. What we're doing today, we're going to be working on this car. We're also going to give you a little update on the Corvette over there we got. Frank has just opened up because I was doing something with her. Right now I'm taking a look at Mom's car here. Oh my god, I just coughed slash heaved, whatever you want to call that. This car has a starting slash cranking, no starting but cranking issue. I believe these two cylinders are overly rich right now. That's what I'm going with right now. Possibly mad math. I would just replace the knock sensor because there was a code for a knock sensor, so that's been there for the longest time, but replace it because it's the only issue technically it has. Other than that, I think these two cylinders are running too rich and possibly two stuck injectors, which I think that'd be, I have no clue. That's a little not right, but we're gonna see what it is, and we're gonna put these two spark plugs, coils back on, and try to start this thing up. Also, do not muscle bound your spark plugs because they're not fun to get out if you muscle bound them. Just do a quick little, literally a quick little jab snug in it, and trust me, it will seal itself up pretty damn good. So I'm gonna plug the coils back in. Let's see if it tries to fire up at all. Okay, so once that injector is firing. At least tell me that's at least firing. Huh. Alright, I'm gonna plug in this injector, see what happens. Alright, so there's at least two hippity hops. So I'm gonna plug this injector back in. Put the spark plug in the hole. I hope it's not misfiring. You know what? One other thing I can try to do is reset the battery. It's like, all right, so we're firing. Well, listen, I can tell you right now, they all seem to be firing. I'm gonna update you guys on the Corvette real quick. So this is the engine. This is a race engine. Like, this is a full-blown, I think it's a 355 Chevy engine. Basically a 350, but it's a 355 cubic inch. Oh, yeah, two-piece. Alright. But, yep, this is the engine right here. So, she's supposed to be a race engine, so she's had plenty of power. She might have a big cam on her. Corey here, we got the lights working in her. Hopefully the battery stays alive now, but Corey has power to her. You turn the key. Oh, key actually, it's not in. We gotta get a new ignition. But all the gauges work actually, surprisingly, so pretty cool. But other than that, turn that off. Shut this. That's really it for Corey. Corey is his name is Corey. My father named him Corey, so it's Corey. But yeah, so pretty soon we'll be getting all the parts for the, for the engine, like, all the brackets and stuff like that for the EC and da. So gotta get that stuff for it. But other than that, that is it for that. But listen, I don't know if I'm gonna continue showing you guys this car or not, but listen, if I'm not, then listen, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I know it's not the most entertaining video, but you guys see some explosions and stuff. So if you guys enjoyed it, listen, leave a like down below. Comment down below if you guys have any idea what the hell is wrong with this car, because I have no idea what the hell is wrong with it. But other than that, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys next one. Do what it takes for all your dreams, and don't let anyone get in your way.